How to get Spotify Premium. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Spotify application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now simply select this premium option at the bottom right corner. So make sure you are using your mobile to directly get into this option over here. So now simply scroll down and you can see there are available plans such as you can try the Spotify absolutely for free, that is $0 for 1 month. So you can cancel anytime, which is a pretty good advantage. So you can just click on this try for 1 month option over here, and now you just have to choose the way or method of payment, how you gonna pay them, just like so. Let me just quickly select with continue with Spotify, and from over here it will ask you to choose your payment option, whether you will pay via PayPal or credit or debit card. So I'll just select credit or debit card, and now all you have to do is just enter your card number and with the expiry date as well as security code, and simply click on done, and you should be successfully getting your premium Spotify account absolutely for free for at least 1 month, and you can cancel at any time. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.